My people, I greet everybody. God bless everybody. Now me and my brother, my friend, MC Papilo One International. I get special message for my brother Dion Osage and our brother Abat Obaze, the crack team boss. Because they say Elder will sit down for outside. He see say goat one bone and rope dey for that goat neck, and the elder no lose the rope command. You know say na stupid elder. If two people get misunderstanding or two people dey fight, if the third person reach there, he go separate the fight. That is why I just want to small talk for wetin dey ground so. Because the fight, where will the fight so for this upcoming election, not be fight of one person, na fight of people we believe in Obaseki. You see, this one not be time where we take the true blow to each other, or to the scandalize each other, or take the fight each other. First, make I start with my brother Abat Obaze. You see, my brother, everything for life, like sense, then take the do am. When you dey throw blow to person every day, you dey fight person every day, they fight person every day, they quarrel with person every day, they insult person every day, and that person no dey reply you, my brother, leave am. Because Benin people say, akpokponyo magbe, ubeso akado wuhoye. What I mean with that, it not just missing a natural death. It just be like those days when we did for school, when we did for primary school. You see some person for class, we be say you just see and see that person get small body, you dey intimidate them every time. You try to slap and they beat them for public. One day the person you just vex, if you just slap and you just carry you go up, you knock you for ground. Boy, the whole school go scatter. Hey, David don't be Goliath. David don't be Goliath. You understand me? So that's so it be that time she will call the catch you for that school. Now maybe Benin people they say, oh sir, holding. That is why she say, if you do get bad belly for person, you say this person I want your killer, I don't want me to die. If you not take time, you can't get problem. You just be like what you see happen between Adams Oshomole and Obaseki. You say you don't want to take IC Obaseki, but what you can happen at the end of the day? I don't want to make your own case and John Osage case constantly be like that. This one at time where we're supposed to draw each other close to each other. Even if we get any quarrel at all, we go settle them now. If we not settle them now, we will drop them aside. After the election, we don't win this battle because this one, this election, it won't just be like battle. We need to fight, win now because what will make us first come out now because we say we don't need Godfatherism. Godfather will the fight, not the sleep. And we with the fight, we want fight Godfather. We don't need to sleep too. We need every vote now. We need everybody, both imbecile, both cripple, both blind, both deaf, both dumb. We need all of them. This is not the time to throw blow to each other. I beg you in the name of God. We are doing working. Dion Osage, we are doing. Omoto working, omoto yevihin. Ba igbele gbe bana. Egena mami yaku. Odawa gbonriye. We still get a long way to go. So that is number one. Number two, I never really see people will come out when they say, call the cry for social media, say, don't Osage, don't do palm, don't Osage, don't scam out, don't Osage, don't collect money. I never see. If it's still there, make una let me know. Even if I thought say Dion Osage na even scammer, say for example, say na really scammer. Person wey dey scam people till they help people. Me know they call that one scammer. Me don't see some scammer who be say, he go hammer, he go build mansions, but in neighbor will be poor person, he know they let that person enter inside and come fetch water. Or come fetch ordinary water for borehole, you know will give them water, you know will give them water, you know will give that area water. But na scammer, if they collect the put for only in pocket. But if I don't know, you know, I don't know they call people, you know, I don't really know any reason why make people they come and say that scammer. Person will be say, my brother, don't take it or you leave it. John Osage get your own followers. You get people who love you. As you still get your own followers, we get people who love you. John Osage don't be musician. John Osage don't be actor. He not be politician. He is just an honorary philanthropist, a very popular philanthropist. John Osage is known for the good things he is doing. Baby, the evidence are all there. We be say they say they help people. So I believe say nothing go fit bring that kind of person down because people wey dey pray for am plenty pass people wey dey insult am. Egbon wey you necessity dey na. You understand? You just wetin you dey pain be say Benin people take am be parable say now hope by agbondere now say the things wey you take do bad. When you do bad, now people they see you. People know I don't know why. People know they see the good things where you do. You understand me so? So my brother, I beg, we all need each other right now. And my brother Dion Usagi, I want to just give you one advice. Not let scandal they pepper you for body. Because as you be so, if people know the way they scandalize you, now be say you don't go. Now be say you don't fall be that now. Scandal, otakwegboge, or you get titi. Scandal, no they do king anything. Scandal they make king they reign. So if you don't get person with the scandalize you, now be say you know they are alive. Ask me be so personally, me MC Papilo. If I see say for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, I don't see anybody will scandalize me. I'll try to do 1 or 2 things we gonna make them scandalize me because now that scandal, now they make me reign past praise. Let them scandalize you. So far you know so that's the way they scandalize you for. You know they do one. So far you know say that's the way they scandalize you say you be scammer, but you for your mind you know say you don't be scammer. You don't get anything you want to do. You know it will affect you. Just continue doing what you are doing, my brother. People are praying for you. What you are doing today, you are not going to see it today, but you see it tomorrow. So, my brother, please keep calm. No matter the insult from people, there are some insults you just pay deaf ear, man. You don't need to reply. Just relax as if nothing is happening. Please, my dear Abatobaze, the crack team boss. Take them easy. We need each other now. Please. Surprise say Benin people there around the world, they don't fit call 2 of them together, make they talk for this matter, make they settle this thing. If they don't decide to do something, we know like call them personally. Hello, aya benurun by. If you people get called, one go play maturity. You carry for crowd, you know where you did, na me about. More rub mad 1-on-1. Now we'll see for corner, you know this place where they go. So this one on my side now, not cross here now. Okay, do your own this side, maybe they decide because everybody get your own limit. No, that big boy we want to raise. You say I'm supposed to do, I say I'm supposed to do them now. What are we fighting for? Don't be the same goal. I believe say John Usagi not really get personal hatred for the governor because I know say he gets at times they will come to challenge governor one time. Say this road no good, they need to do him. He was not having a personal hatred for him. He was only trying to make him do more. Challenging him to do more. So you understand me? So I believe say we ought to fight towards one goal now. Towards one goal, make Obaski come again. That's the goal we are fighting towards. If John Osage can automatically change my saying one begin support our sitting governor. You know, do anything because all man is entitled to his opinion according to how they speak English. All man is entitled to his opinion. You can't really see say people you want to join the popular side. People with the support of Obaseki, almost of all the fans. John Osage, I know him. He's my person. Likewise, you about Obaza, as far as you are supporting the good thing about those things, then you are my person too. So though we have not met one-on-one, we have not met one-on-one. So my brother, we are all fighting towards one goal. So let us try as much as possible to join hands together, put heads together, then to win this election. After we don't win this election, then if anything, they will need to settle for front. But for now, 2 months to go. So we don't really need to throw blow at each other now. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Thank you.